SQL module 2 card operations. So in this section you will be learning creating database and pointing to it. So suppose you want to store ABC company employee information like employee basic details, employee salary details, department details, and employee history into a MySQL server. So for that, first of all, you need to create a database. Then once database is created, you will create tables related to specific entity. Like for employee salary, you can create another table. For employee info, you can create another table. So like that, we will create table. But we can't create table without creating a database. So first of all, there should be some database into the MySQL server. Then only we can create table. So this is the command to create database. Create database are the SQL keywords. Then database name. This name you can give any name, any relevant name. And before giving this name, you should make sure that whether this database is uh, already existing or not. If it's already existing, then it will throw error. Let's suppose we want to create database for ABC company, so we can give here some meaningful name like create database database ABC. Okay, so let's do this in MySQL Workbench. So MySQL Workbench is a kind of editor, or you can say integrated development environment for MySQL server. So this is the MySQL Workbench screen, and here you can write your queries. So I suppose I want to create database, new database, create database. Then here I will give name of the table which I want to create. Suppose I want to create database for ABC company, so I can give here name as create database ABC. Then at the end you will give semicolon. So once your command is completed, you at the end you should provide semicolon, because by this only this came to know that MySQL Workbench came to know that this is the end of the statement. So once this statement is completed, you can click on this icon. As you can see on hovering, it's showing the message execute the statement under the keyboard cursor. So whatever statement you have selected, that statement will get executed. Okay, and if you want to select all the statement written into this editor, then you can choose this button. Okay, so since I want to execute this selected statement, so I am clicking on this. Okay, so see in the output window, it's showing the message create database ABC, one row affected. Okay, so by this we can confirm that database is created, and here it's showing the green check button. Okay, and once you refresh this, your database will be visible over here. See, we have created the database ABC, so it's showing you the ABC database. Right now you can check the existing database using the command show databases. Okay, sorry, typo error here. Show databases. Right, so once we execute this, it will show you all the existing database onto the MySQL server. So I am executing it. So it's showing me 10 rows, showing result 10 row return. That means there are 10 existing database in the MySQL server. Okay, so it's showing you your database on the top ABC. So this is how you can create new database onto the MySQL server. Now since you have created the database, but if you want to make this database as active one, so for that you can give the command use ABC. database name. So by this your database will become active and become ready for creating the tables. Okay, so it's giving 0 rows affected, and as soon as you give use abc, so this abc database get expanded in the object browser, and it will show you the various objects related available in the abc database c table. Currently there is no table, so it's not showing anything. So this is how you can make your database as active. Use abc. So this is all about the creating database. So let's summarize this what we learned today. So today we have learned how to create a database, and how to make the database active, and how to make sure the existing database in the MySQL server. Okay, so in the next session we will be learning how to create tables in a database. So that I will be covering in the next video. Thank you. Bye bye.